Let's look at the X-Pack life vest next. We'll need to follow along with drawing S7225. This page shows proper configuration of the life preserver prior to packing. Note the light on the left side and the whistle on the right. And here's the cover prior to packing. Note that it is facing up. Now this model happens to be an X-Pack Molly, but all X-Pack vests are packed the same. Let's take a look at the before folding steps. Move the zipper slider from the right side of the cover to the left side. Make sure the whistle is secure in its holder. Pass one end of the life preserver through the cell retainer at the top of the cover. Secure both sides of the life preserver to the cover with the lacing cords. Secure the lacing with a double overhand or barrel knot. There should be about a 3/4 inch tail on the knot when you're done tying it. Secure both beaded handles to the Velcro on the cover. The part of the handle with the inflator lanyard attaches to the Velcro at the bottom of the cover. The other end of the handle attaches to the Velcro on the side of the cover near the bottom. The next page has details on lacing up the vest and attaching the handles. On page 7, we start folding. At the top of the vest, fold the top cell up and the bottom cell down. We'll take care of the next step when we close the zipper. We're going to fold the left side bottom cell under with an accordion or S-fold. Now we'll accordion fold the upper cell. You can do the next step after you place the battery. It's okay to do some steps out of sequence as long as you perform all the steps. Flake the battery wire and place it with the battery between the oil tube and the inflator. And now we can slip the ends of the cells into the pocket of the cover. Close the Velcro on the bottom left cover. Start the zipper and pull it up to near the top. At step 5, we'll start folding the right side of the life vest. but I'm going to skip ahead to page 13 to close up the top left corner. We fold the bottom cell down at about a 45-degree angle and fold the top cell up at the same angle. Then close the zipper to the top of the vest. We're also going to tuck in the cell retainer as mentioned back in step 1. Page 11 tells us to fold the right hand bottom cell under, just like we did on the left side. And now fold the top cell. Tuck the cells into the cell pocket. Close the Velcro at the bottom temporarily. Back to page 13 to fold the top corner. Then pull the zipper around to hold the corner in. If you have a hood, page 14 shows you how to pack it. Flatten out the top of the hood. Fold up the bottom to the straps. Fold the hood down in half. Then fold it in half again. And again. Now fold it in half lengthwise. And place it inside the right side of the cover on top of the life vest. Keep the clear face shield to the inside. Continue to close the zipper. Close the zipper all the way down until it stops. The slider must be pulled past the short zipper. The next few pages of S7225 show you how to fold the vest for storage. We'll fold the X-Back Molly first. Place the vest face down. Fold the top of the vest down as shown. Fold the bottom of the vest up to the waist belt, then fold the sides in, then fold in half lengthwise. For the X-Back Basic, flip the vest over and fold the top down. Fold the pockets up onto the vest and fold in half lengthwise.